Now repeat after me. Schedule, schedule, schedule. Meaning. A schedule is a plan or a list that outlines tasks, events, or appointments to be done at specific times. Schedules help organize time and ensure activities are completed in an orderly manner. In a sentence, my work schedule is packed with meetings this week. Here, schedule refers to a plan that lists all the upcoming meetings. Let's try another example. She checked her schedule to make sure she was free for lunch. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using schedule. Synonyms. Some related terms for schedule are timetable, a detailed plan of events or activities arranged by time. Agenda, a list or plan of things to be done or discussed. Antonyms. The opposite of schedule would be spontaneity, acting without a plan or prior arrangement. Impromptu, done without being planned or rehearsed. Part of speech. Schedule is a noun referring to a plan of events or tasks. It can also be used as a verb, meaning to arrange or plan an event. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.